you see a sign in a store, 20% off, plus an extra 10% for members. You might think that's a 30% discount, but it's not. The math of percentages is full of traps like this, designed to trip up the unwary. The secret to avoiding them isn't complex formulas, but one simple question. A percentage of what? In business, that what is almost always the cost price, the original amount spent to make or buy an item. If you spend $20 on lemonade supplies and sell it all for $55, your profit is $35. But the real story is the percentage profit. That $35 on a $20 investment is a massive 175% return. That's the number that tells an investor if a venture is truly successful, far more than the raw dollar amount. This becomes critical with successive changes. Imagine an investment of $1,000 grows by 50% in its first year. Great, it's now worth $1,500. But in year 2, it falls by 50%.